Good morning, student. Today we will discuss on the classification of pteridophytes. There were many systems of classification for pteridophytes. Earlier botanists, they classified the pteridophytes on the basis of the morphological characters like seeds are present or absent in the plants. On the basis of the seeds, earlier botanists classify the plants into two divisions, that is Pterophyta and Spermatophyta. Later on, the discoveries of vascular system in the pteridophytes and seeds in the ferns of fossil plants in the pteridophytes, they discarded the systems of classification in the separate division Pteridophyta and Spermatophyta. Later on, both these pteridophytes and Spermatophyta were kept in a single division Tracheophyta on the basis of the vascular system present, that is tracheids and phloem. Then after that, later first we will discuss on the traditional system of classification that was given by Prandtl in 1874. So Prandtl, he divided Pteridophyta into three classes. These classes are Felicini, Equisitini, Lycopodini. A.J. Eames in 1936 divided these Pteridophyta into four groups. These groups are Psilopsida, Lycopsida, Sphenopsida and Pteropsida. In the group Psilopsida, he included two orders, that is Psilotes and Psilophytes. In the group second, Lycopsida, he included the orders Lycopodiales, Selaginellales, Lepidodendrons, Pleuromeales, Isoetales. In the group third, Sphenopsida, he included the orders Hyaeneales, Sphenophyllales, Equisitales. And in the group Pteropsida, he included the orders Cynopteridiales, Ophioglosses, Merytales and Philippiales. Smith in 1938, and he again revised his system of classification in 1955. So he divided Pteridophyta into four classes. These classes are Psilophytini, Lycopodini, Equisitini and Felicini. In the class Psilophytini, he included two orders, Psilotes and Psilophytes. In the class Lycopodini, he included the orders Lycopodiales, Selaginellales, Lepidodendrons, Lepidocarpales, Isoetales. In the class Equisitini, he included the order Hyaeneales, Sphenophyllales, Equisitales. In the class Felicini, he included subclasses. In the subclass Chromophilices, orders are Cynopteridiales, Anacoropteridiales, Cladoxylales. In the subclass 2, Eusporangiaceae, first order is Ophioglossae and the second order is Merytales. In the subclass 3rd, Leptosporangiaceae, he kept 11 families in this subclass Leptosporangiaceae. These families are, family first is Osmundaceae, Stygiaceae, family third is Glauconiaceae, family fourth is Metoniaceae, family fifth is Dipteridiaceae, Sixth is Hymenophilaceae. Seventh is Cythiaceae. Family 8 is Marsilaceae. Family 9 is Polypodiaceae. Family 10 is Parkeriaceae. Family 11 is Salviniaceae. In our next class, we will discuss on the some revised systems of classifications that were according to the ICBN. So in our next I will teach you the some revised classification of pteridophytes. Thank you.